Alrighty, Raymond, here we got your 572 Hemi. Give you a description of this combination. It's got the Edelbrock dual quad setup on it. Hemi valve covers, custom grind solid roller. The Bill Miller aluminum block, aluminum heads. Got your front end on it. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 608 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 720, peaks horsepower 703, so rated 700's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple other things. See if you're interested, you find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Highly recommend plug in and watch it. A lot of tech stuff, your dyno video, engine build specs, things of that nature. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number and some other specs. So anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. On the other side, there's a QR code, so that'll take you to some other tech stuff. So highly recommend watch all this stuff and have a great day.